Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you're looking for a really cute and super functional bag to carry all of your toiletry items when you travel, I would highly suggest checking out this toiletry bag from BAGSMART. What I really loved about this set is it came with two different bags. It came with the quilted hanging bag and also the clear zipper bag that easily goes in a carry-on when you need to go through security and handles all those small items for you. What I really loved about this bag is it holds so much, and it's a really nice quality. The outside is a really soft but durable quilted material, and I love that there's a variety of different styles of pockets on the inside. I also specifically love that the outside pocket contains an area that I can store my makeup brushes, and where they're stored, it's a vinyl plastic, so it's easy to clean when it gets a little bit messy. I love the different size pockets because I can take anything I need. So whether I'm using this in my carry-on or an overnight bag where I'm taking all my full-size products, it doesn't matter. It can hold all of it. Of course, the mini pockets I love to use for my toiletry items, whether I'm using full-size or travel-size items, they both fit in here really nicely. So no matter what your needs are for your toiletry items, I would definitely check out this travel bag from BAGSMART. It's durable, it fits in your suitcase and bags so easily, and it keeps everything nice and organized. But that's just my point of view.